And the little subheading under this is comparing them by making them decimals. So for those of you who are into drawing the picture things, you know, that's kind of 5th grade sort of stuff. For example, if you have 3/5 compared to 5/8. 3/5 compared to 5/8. You are not to draw pictures anymore, mostly because that's all subjective to how big you're making your fractions, and it's just not a good way to do it. You want to now compare them by making them decimals. And sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. For example, 3/5 is pretty easy. What is 3/5 as a decimal? And why? 3/5 is how many tenths as a decimal, Carter?
6 tenths.
6.
I didn't get a test.
Oh, let me grab one on the back of my desk there. And how do you write 6/10 as a decimal, Carter?
0.6.
Yes, 0.6. So we know that one is 0.6. Well, what about 5/8? What do we talk about? When you cannot make this into 100 or 10, what's your option there? Your last option is to have one?
Multiply by 5.
That still wouldn't help me out. Because 25 over 40, what decimal is 25 over 40?
Oh, sorry.
How do you make this fraction a decimal? You could look at your fraction up there, or your fraction circles. But if you don't know that, Wade Davis, how do I do that without looking at my notes? I think we talked about this. I'm not sure we did, I think. Tyler?
Divide the denominator into the numerator.
Exactly. Divide 8 into 5. Put your decimal down and you work it out till it works out. 8 goes into 57 times. I'm sorry. 6 times, which is 48. Break down. 8 goes into 20 twice, which is 16. And then 8 goes into 45 times. So it's 0.625. Eventually, some of these you'll start to know by heart. For example, 1/8 is 0.125, 2/8 is the same as a quarter. Now, once you have that, which one's bigger? 0.6 or 0.625? Carolyn, what's bigger, 0.6 or 0.625? Exactly. Because 0.6 is the same as 0.600. That's 0.625. 625 is bigger than 600 all day long. Another one you asked, what about this one? 3/4 compared to 0.7. 3/4 compared to 0.7. And again, some of these I would suspect you know. You probably know what 3/4 is as a decimal. 3/4 of a dollar is what, Tyler?
0.75.
So you write down 0.75, compare that to 0.7, and that is, which one bigger, greater than, larger than, smaller than? Brand?
0.75.
Yeah, 0.75 is bigger than. So make sure I see on your homework that sort of thing. One more. 15/25 compared to 3/5. 15/25 compared to 3/5. What is 15/25 as a decimal? What number would you change that to? What number would you make the bottom number, Wade?
100.
And what is that? Multiply by 4, multiply the top by 4, you get? How do I write 60/100ths as a decimal? Brand?
0.60.
0.60. What is 3/5 as a decimal? We already did that one, so it should be sitting down right there in front of you. It is what, Tyler?
0.6.
And which one is larger than? Jacob Lick
0.60,
is bigger than 0.6.
0.6.
Now what if I did this, which doesn't change this? Which one's bigger?
They're equal.
They are equal. And you can always add zeros at the end. 60 is equal to 60. 0.6. 61 hundredths is the exact same thing as 6 tenths. So be very, 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 very careful when you do that sort of stuff.